If you want real muscle at home, this is the best full body workout to build muscle.
No gym, no machines, just your body and the best workout routine to build muscle. Start with 5 minutes warm-up to activate muscles and prevent injury. Begin with push-ups. Keep your body straight and core tight. Lower slowly, chest near floor, then push up strong and controlled.
Now do body weight squats, feet shoulder width, and chest up. Lower until thighs parallel, drive up through heels, and squeeze glutes. Lower until thighs parallel, drive up through heels, and squeeze glutes. Hold plank position, back straight, and core tight for stability.
Step forward into lunges, both knees bent, and keep balance steady. Use resistance band rows to build strong back and posture. Pull elbows back, squeeze shoulder blades, then return slowly controlled.
Perform 3 sets each exercise, 10 to 15 reps per set. Eat protein-rich meals like eggs, chicken, rice, and green vegetables. Sleep 7 hours, drink enough water, and stay consistent weekly. This is the best workout routine to build muscle, stay disciplined, and transform your body.